Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in Need for Speed Heat. Reaching the maximum driver level, which is level 50, requires a focused approach on earning reputation, or rep. Unlike bank, which is used for buying cars and upgrades, REP directly contributes to your driver progression. The most effective and indeed the only way to rapidly climb through the ranks is by mastering the night. This is where the real challenge and the biggest rewards lie. To truly maximize your reputation gains, you must embrace the night. Engage in night races, which are inherently more dangerous due to police presence, but offer substantially more REP. As you complete these events, your heat level will rise, from 1 all the way up to 5. Each increase in heat level applies a significant multiplier to the reputation you earn, making it essential for rapid progression towards level 50. Earning reputation is only half the battle. You must successfully bank it. This means escaping any police pursuits that inevitably arise during your night sessions. Utilize the city's layout, jump ramps, and tight corners to outmaneuver the cops. Once you've shaken them, quickly make your way to a safe house or garage to end your night and secure all the hard-earned reputation. Failing to escape means losing everything you gained that night. For the most efficient path to level 50, string together several night races to build up a high heat level, ideally reaching heat level 5. This maximizes your reputation multiplier before you attempt to bank it. Once you've achieved a substantial amount of multiplied REP, focus on a clean escape. Consistently repeating this cycle of high heat racing and successful evasion is the definitive and most effective strategy to reach the maximum driver level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.